Rock fam, what if I told you that the most boring rocks on the beach are actually hiding literal treasure inside? Today we're going to go and look at a video that was taken about a year ago. We made this during our trip to Calumet Waterworks and McMillan State Park up in the Keweenaw Peninsula. We collected bags of amygdaloidal, rhyolite, and basalt that look just like normal gray rocks until you actually cut them open. But inside, you'll find flashy green prehnite, sparkling quartz, and those classic Lake Superior agates that everybody dreams about. So grab your coffee, hit that like button if you like rock cutting videos, and stick around, because the next few minutes, we're going to slice these bad boys open live on camera and see exactly what Mother Nature hid inside them for the last billion years. These rocks are from where?
These rocks are from McLean Waterworks.
Yes, McLean Beach.
Calumet Waterworks.
And McLean Beach, yeah.
McLean State Park or something.
Yep, exactly. McLean State Park and Calumet Waterworks.
Yes.
At the same time.
Oh my god, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh shit. That looks
so green.
That looks as badass as you would think it would. It has a little tiny pocket down here too. Little tiny hole in the one green thing.
Little tiny pocket. Wow.
That is so green.
That is so green. So green.
Probably rocks gonna be cool.
Cut it open. Alrighty. Let's look at the outside again. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, not a whole bunch going on inside.
Not a whole bunch?
No, not as much as you would think.
No, not as much at all. Oh man, it's alright. We got more rocks to cut. This is one I did before we started filming. This one again came from McLean State Park. Nice greens and pinks in there. It's very pretty rock. And on the inside, BAM! BAM! BAM!
I like my rocks like I like my women.
Looks like a little bit of Amygdaloidal, Porphyritic, something or other.
It's doing things.
It's doing things. Let's see what it's going to do on the inside. Alrighty. This one, I'm expecting good things from this one.
From the Porphyritic one.
I'm expecting good things from this rock. And 3, 2, 1.
Alright, it's got some Porphyritic stuff inside. It's not as colorful as I was hoping, but
No,
it's decent.
it's got some yellows. So we'll see if those yellows continue to the inside. Start with the little one. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, that one's nice. That's a party rock for sure.
It's a party rock for sure. Oh, wow. Look at the colors. Orange, greens, yellows. It's gorgeous.
It's definitely a party rock.
Definitely a party rock. Hey, you want to take over?
Yeah, I got a couple rocks I don't know. Oh, cut. Is it moving again? Yeah, see? So, this is weird.
Gotta hold it up.
Lake Superior rock.
There you go.
See how good it is. It has a weird texture to it. It just doesn't seem right to me. Let's see if it has actually any fun secrets inside. Baka. Does it? Is there secrets inside?
A little bit of secrets.
Oh, it's just got a little bit of whites and yellow, reds. It's minimal secretism. This one's a tricky dicky. This one's also got some Porphyritic fucking weirdness going on here. At least on the outside. It's got some crystally Porphyritic stuffs. I don't know if y'all can see it. I hope y'all can see it. Open your eyes if you can't. Our camera should be working. Alright. Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's run it like this. Well, kind of a little bit seen in there, but I didn't really 100%. I think it goes this way. I fixed it. Okay. See what happens here. Can you see me? Wah! Meh? Oh. Ooh. It's got some colors in it, though.
Orange in there, yeah.
It's definitely got some colors in it, though.
Yeah, it does.
You look at this side, I'll look at this side. Trade. Okay. Yeah, no, it's got some good colors in it though.
Color in there, it sure does.
It's got some colors. It's doing a thing. It's doing rock stuff. It's doing rock stuff.
It's doing rock stuff.
Nice rockaroo here. And our party rock. Party rock is in the hut, but we got pinks.
We got pinks and greens and white.
Yep. Oh, I want to try to get some of this pink going on here. I'm going to try to go Kosa that way. Alright. Try to cut through the pinks here. Try to cut through the pinks, see what happens. Zabow!
Oh, you got some of the pinks in there.
Some of the pinks in there? Oh, we'll try it in a second.
Yeah, green.
Oh, we got a little green stripe going across the top of this, buddy.
Yeah. Ooh.
That's a nice one.
Oh, that's
That'd be
a
nice.
nice one.
That'd be a nice one.
I like.
Yep, we need people to give us money so we buy a cabin machine.
Right. Buy our rocks.
Yes, buy our rocks. We'll sell rocks. We buy a cabin machine. The rocks we sell get better. That one's got some really crazy green shit going on.
Crazy green stuff right all through the bottom.
All through there. I think I just need to try to split it.
Split it. Ooh.
It's going to be a rough one to split. Let's try it.
You got this.
Alright. We got her. We can break her or nothing. She's not sure how much of this green we got on one side. Oh. That's
a little bit.
A little different than we thought, in a way.
Different. It's interesting.
Yeah. It is a little different. She's got some white in there. Has some decent white pockets. A little pink, little green.
Pink, little green.
The green ain't really so much amygdaloidal. It's just like swirled into the actual, like, the host rock. So all that green on the bottom there is just kind of swirled into the rock itself. Ooh, nice quartzy pockets, you say. We like the quartzy pockets. Let's see here. The nice big quartzy pockets. Does the camera look alright? Can I see stuff too? Yeah, okay. Let's get some little green pit here. A pink. Got some pink in there too. Yeah, we're gonna try to go across this, like just tip to tip almost. Yeesh. She took a minute, she did. I barely got through the pink on the one side, the white on the one side. Ah! Huh? Ooh. The little green kind of marks in there are pretty badass.
Yeah.
They really, kind of got a little, almost egg the action. The other side over here is definitely better. That side's prettier. Kind of cool. I was trying to hit a little bit more in on the pink there, but I missed that. And then I came over here and I missed this one too. Like, I kind of missed them both.
That one's quartzy too.
And this quartzy as well.
Lots of nice pockets.
It's like, I wonder if I should just straight down the center again. It's got a nice little pink pocket right there.
It does.
Go straight down the center. It's like... It's a little bit tough. A little bit tough. Alright, we got through some of the quartzy stuff on the top, it looks like. We busted around some of this quartzy stuff at the bottom. And pick out. Oh, wow, that's kind of disappointing. Aww. That's not too much in there. There's some little pink spot, but not near as much as it would lead you on to think on the outside. Yeah, let you look at that. I'll look at this. And we'll try, because there's not a whole bunch to look at. Sure, got it, but there's more to look on this side for sure. But, you know, meh. A little quartzy stuff going on. Lots of quartzy chunkies going on. I think this one we're not going to go all fancy cuts. We're just going to fucking zip right down the side. Chunky rock. What up? Ooh. Ooh, you look at the side, look at the side. Ooh. Ooh, we got a little druzy pocket on that side. Ooh. Ooh. That one worked out. That was what we expected. That was definitely what we expected. Oh, juggling them, almost dropping them.
That one turned out way better than expected.
Yep. It's weird like that.
You know what you're gonna get.
It's weird like that. It'll be like certain ones will be like, oh, that one's gonna be meh. And they'll be awesome. And the certain ones will be like, this one's gonna be awesome, and that's meh. It's just meh, or it's awesome. We don't know. That's the fun part of these ones. So we got, I'm just going to go straight down the center again. Just straight down the center. Right down the middle. Alright, we got the chunky. I went right through the quartz. Right through the quartz that time. You got the chunky. Oh, we got a nice pocket on one side.
Ooh.
Nice quartzy pocket on the one side. Nice quartzy. You can look at the nice quartzy pocket. Look at that quartzy pocket. Oh my god, you see that quartzy pocket? Oh my god, it's so quartzy. It's a quartzy pocket. It's a quartzy pocket. See, I got one more sitting here. It's got some chunks. Some chunks. It's got some chunkies in it. It's got some green chunkies in it. It's got some white chunkies in it. It has some more green chunkies in it. We got chunks. You want chunks? We got chunks.
We got chunks. And for those of you who are wondering, we are using a 6-inch high-tech diamond lapidary saw that we got from Amazon.
These little green chunks right here, they kind of look a little bit bandy, weird. Okay. Alright, we're right on the edge of the bandies here, on the edge of the bandies. Let's see if we hit the bandies. We got some stuff over here, and we got inside some of that.
Ooh.
Here, you look at this side, look at this side. Alright, we got some things there. We got some quartzy things on my side. What's your side? Go quick. Okay. Oh, you got some green. You got a lot of green on that side. Birdie. She birdie. She birdie. So see, like, we got the two different kinds of post rock here. We got, this one also got some bandies. See, make sure we see it in the camera. That one's also got some bandies on it. But we got basalt and we got rhyolite. Alright, so we got the green one here, the green rhyolite one. Look up. Oh, it's got some nice little green chunkies in it. You look at this one, I'll look at this one. And switch. It's got some nice little green chunkies in it. Look kind of cool.
Green chunkies.
Nice green chunkies. No, the basalt one. We got the little bandy stuff there. We left that be. And look out. Ooh, we got bandy stuff on the inside.
Do we have bandy stuff on the inside?
Oh yeah, we do. Oh yeah, we do. Oh, we got both sides got bandy, but it's inverted. One side is white and green, the other side is green and white.
What? Woohoo! Oh my god.
The white and green, the other side has the green and white.
That's crazy.
That's an awesome one.
That is awesome.
That's the ones we're looking for, like that.
That's stunning, you guys. That is stunning.
Alright, Rock Fam, we have a lot of footage from this, so this is probably going to span at least 2 or 3 different videos, which is great because I need content, because there is still snow outside, and I cannot get out there and hunt new rocks. So if you enjoyed the video, definitely make sure you go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe if you haven't done that yet. It means a lot to us, it helps us out more than you can even realize. And if you want any rock tumbling supplies, make sure you check out our link in the bio. We have an Amazon page, we have Etsy where we sell our stuff, we have all kinds of stuff going on there. And definitely make sure you check out rocknerd.app. We'll be releasing that really soon. And until next time, Rock Fam, deuces!